What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez Guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So at Burlington Coat Factory, they are offering these double carded sets. This one happens to be the 90th anniversary of Mickey Mouse. And here you see Mickey with Minnie. And I was really checking out these dispensers. The heads are a weird color, almost like a brown. You see that there? And the heads are identical. Again, Pez using the same mold to make the same character, except just put a bow on there. Way to go. Good times. And you can see the new candy that are in these as well. So I went to 8 different Burlingtons. I noticed they had Jurassic Park, the My Little Ponies, Shopkins. I could only find one of these in one store. I think this is the hard one to find, the Mickey and Minnie double card. And it's pretty popular too. Look at it. Very well done. All happy looking. I know if I'm spending $4 to $5 on something, I want it to look like this. Not that. Just me though. So until next time.